Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdale. Today's topic: the biggest fool in the kingdom. The king Krishna Devaraya loved horses and had the biggest collection of horse breeds in the kingdom. One day a trader came to the king and told him that he had brought with him a horse of the best breed in Arabia, and he invited the king to inspect the horses. And King Krishna Devaraya loved the horses. Krishna Devaraya loved the horses, so the trader said that the king could buy this one, and that he had two more, um, uh, and he had two more like this one back in Arabia, that he would go back to get. And the king loved the horse so much that he had to have other two as well horses. He paid the trader uh, 5,000 gold coins in advance. The trader promised that the Krishna Devaraya would return with the 2 days with the other horses, and 2 days could turn into 2 weeks. That the Krishna Devaraya at still there was a sign of the trader and the horses. Then one evening is his mind, and the king went a stroll in in his garden, and there he spotted Tenali, one piece of paper. The curious of the king asked Tenali what he was jotting down. Then Tenali Raman hesitant, but after further questioning, he showed the king the paper, and on the paper was a list of names. The king's beginning at the top of the king beginning at the top of a list, and the Tenali top of the list, and the Tenali said to the Krishna Devaraya, these were that the names of the big there was the name of the biggest fools in the kingdom, that is Vijay Gangra kingdom. As expected, the king was furious. That name was the top, and asked Tenali Raman for an explanation. Then Tenali Raman referred to the horse story, and saying the Krishna Devaraya was a fool to believe that the trader, a stranger, would return after receiving 5,000 gold coins. Countering his argument, the Krishna Devaraya king then asked, what happened if when the trader does come, then the if when the trader does come back, and he come back, and then when the trader does come back, and in a true Tenali humor, he replied saying, in that case the trader, and countering his argument, the king then asked, what happened then the if asked, when the trader does come back, in a Tenali, then the Tenali humor, he replied to saying, in that case he replied to saying in that case the trader would bigger fool, and the trader would bigger fool, and his name would replace the king's on the list. Then the in a true Tenali humor, he replied saying, in that case the the trader would biggest fool, and his name would replace the king in the list. The moral of the uh, story: don't believe believe stranger in blindly. This is story in the biggest fool in the kingdom. This story is the Krishna Devaraya, and the Krishna Devaraya is a king, and we would like to teach in this story the moral: don't believe a stranger blindly. Thank you.